Hi everyone, my name is Basam. I am a student of NMIT. In this video, I will show how to apply CloudFormation Designer on the existing infrastructure to create a CloudFormation template and the customization of template for instant creation of the manually created AD system. To start the CloudFormation Designer, we have to manually deploy a Microsoft AD service using the AWS Directory Service. Now, what is AWS Directory Service? It is a service which enables you to connect existing AD to the cloud or to create complete new directories from scratch. Seamless administration of AWS resources can be done. We can deploy the Windows workloads on AWS. Now, what is CloudFormer? CloudFormer is a template creation tool that creates an AWS CloudFormation template. The template is created from the existing resources on your AWS account. We can deploy and update a template and its collection of resources by using the AWS console. In other words, we can say CloudFormation is used to create a infrastructure through In other words, we can say CloudFormation is used to create an infrastructure through a template. Now, here you can see I have already deployed ADDS services template, and I will use these template resources to create a new template using CloudFormer. So first of all, from AWS console, just type CloudFormation and click on it, and you will come to this page, CloudFormation homepage. Click on create a stack to create a CloudFormation. Now here you can choose a template. So we have to choose a CloudFormer template to create a CloudFormer template. Click next, and here you can give any name to this stack according to your need. I'm giving test1, test12. Give a password and username. Give a password which you can remember, and username, I'm giving my name. Keep the VPC selection to create new VPC and click next. Now here you can add tags, so it's your choice to add tags. It will be good if you are adding tags to identify things. And permissions, keep the permissions default. Advanced settings should be default, and click next. Here you can review your template, and just you need to click on the acknowledge that AWS CloudFormation might create IAM resources. Check this checkbox and click on create. So then as soon as you will click on create, it will you will come to this page, and just click on refresh, and it will show the creation of CloudFormer template. It will take some time to create, and once you see the create complete, it means your CloudFormer template is created successfully. Just select your CloudFormer template and click on outputs, and you will see a link below. Just copy that link and paste it into the new tab into your browser and open that link, or you can go to EC2 management console, and here click on running instances. Now you will see instances running. It is created by the CloudFormer automatically. Just click on that instance and copy the public DNS of the instance and in the new tab put https:// and paste that public DNS of the instance here and press enter. It's the same thing if you use the link from CloudFormation Template or from the instance. Now it will ask you for the login credential. Login credential is the same credential you use to create the CloudFormation. It is I use my name to log in and give the password and press enter. Now you will come to the AWS CloudFormation page. Now from here you can start creating cloud template. Now to create a template, click on create template. Now you come to the next page. Here you need to give the description of the template. I can give like test template. Now click on continue. Here you can it's your choice, you can choose root 53 hosted zone or not, and I'm not choosing root 53, so I'm clicking on continue. Here you have to select the VPC related to the ADDS CloudFormation which you have already deployed earlier. So how to find that what VPC is connected with ADDS? For that you need to visit VPC. Now you are here in the VPC page. Click on your VPCs, or you can see here VPCs are here. Now see here the ADDS VPC is here. Note down the number, VPC number, VPC ID, and here just select that ID and click continue. Now here you can see that 4 subnets are already selected because these subnets are related to that VPC, and internet gateway is also selected. Now one DHCP option is also selected. So as soon as you select VPC, it will select all the things related to VPC, all the elements related to VPC. Click next, click continue. Now here you can see the ACLs are already selected, routing tables are already selected. Click next. You do not need to bother about what is selected because it will select the correct option automatically. Now here is the option to select elastic IP. It's your choice, you can select elastic IP or not. I am not choosing any elastic IP and I am clicking on continue. Here you can see that you are getting one auto scaling group, so you need to select this auto scaling group for to deploy the auto scaling property of ADDS in your new template. Now in the next page you can see that auto scaling launches is already selected because you already selected the auto scaling group. Here is the option to select the instance. It's your choice to select the instance or not, but it's good if you don't select any instance, and just click continue. In the next page you don't have anything to select. Click continue. Again continue. Here you can add SNS notification for your CloudFormation template, so I am not selecting any notification options, so I am clicking on continue. In the next page you have to select EC2 security groups, so I am selecting ADDS security groups so that they can connect with the VPC and they can create an architecture Click on continue. Now in the operational page, you have an option to set up the alarms, billing alarms. So I'm not doing it, I'm just clicking on continue. And here in the summary page, you can modify your resources just by clicking on modify in front of them, and click modify, give any name you like. It will be easy for you to identify things in the next stage. And now I'm not going to change anything here. Click continue. And here you can see my template is created, and I suggest you to copy this code first before saving it into cloud or anywhere. So copy the whole code and save it in any notepad like I did, because sometimes you get error while saving it in S3 bucket. So I'm clicking on cancel because I already have this code. Now go to the CloudFormation page and click on design template. Here you can click on this second tab, that is template tab, and here paste your code which you have copied and click on refresh. See, you can see this architecture which is created by your CloudFormer for the deployment of your Active Directory services, but you just need to validate this template and deploy it. Click this button to deploy it, and you can see it took you to the create template page again. Here you do not need to do anything, keep everything default. Click next, give it a name, any stack name, first stack. You can't give space between the name, first stack. I'm giving it name. You can add any key to this stack and click next and click on create. So I'm not really clicking on create because I have already created stacks, and as soon as you will create a stack, it will give you an error. Here you can see the newly created stack, and I'm getting some errors. It is still in progress, rollback in progress. Now because of the errors, it is rolling back all the settings so that I can deploy things again. So it's giving me error. To check the error, click on events tab. First select the stack and click on events tab and scroll down to your first error. First error I got while creating subnet. So the value US East 2 for the parameter availability zone is invalid. So from here I can get that this is the availability zone error, and I have these following availability zones available to create this template. So I will do, I will again go back to the template design, and here I will paste that template again, and I will do the changes in the availability zone. Better you do changes in the notepad and copy that code into your template. So what I do, I always copy the code into notepad and do the changes here. Like here I have done some changes in my code, and here you can easily find availability zone. Just search availability and it will give you the availability zone. So you need to change all the availability zone, and see, for this first subnet availability zone is US East A, East A, East B. So like this you can change all the availability zone to bypass the availability error. Now save this and launch it again from here, and I have launched it here again with the with all the resolving all the availability zone errors. I launched it into the Ohio zone, and here you can see it has created properly. I would like to tell you one more thing, because most of the time you deploy this template into a new availability zone. So in order to move into new availability zone, you need many things to change in the code, like you need to change image ID. So we will I will show you how to change image ID. Here you can see this AMI code. You can get this code from your area. You have to visit any area you go to. You want to deploy this template, click on that area and click on EC2. Go to EC2, and in the EC2 launch an instance to get the AMI. Here you can see AMI. So we are doing this for Microsoft Windows Server R2 base. So copy this AMI and paste it into the code. This is how you can get AMI. Now the instance type. Sometimes you need smaller instance, sometimes you need large size instance. So you can write down the size of the instance here. Now, and the third thing is key name. Every zone has its different key. So to create a key, you need to visit the EC2 instance, EC2 page, and here you can see key pairs option. Here you can create a key for your template so that it can run properly without any error. I hope this will help you all for the creation of template using CloudFormer, and it will resolve some of your issues. Thank you very much.